Okay, so these come to the things that we're going to work together today, everyone. The things that we're going to work together today is on the topic of our happy planet. So you see, everyone, the things that is actually in the hand that you can see from the picture now is the world. And yet we're going to talk about our planet, or our Mother Earth, and yet the world. But how we can help our world like be happy planet. So let's have a look at the things that we're going to work on today. And as I mentioned again, everyone, we're going to practice our pronunciation in English. And let's see. And today, the pronunciation that we're going to work will be related to the vocabulary of the topic, the happy planet, the happy planet. So please, everyone, take a look at the OO. I have one O and I have one O, so that you see, everyone, we now have two O. And all the things here that you see on the screen, everyone, allow me to explain you this. 1, 2, and 3. This is what we call in English table. Table. But it's not the table that we put the thing on, or maybe the table that we sit on the chair and then we work on the table like this. It's not that table, but all the spelling are the same. So you see, one word in English may have more than one meaning. So in this one, table, talking about the columns and the row, okay? The columns and the row. So which is the column? If you see the arrow down here, this is the first column, the second column, the third column, and the fourth column. So one question, everyone, one question for you all. How many columns are there in this table, everyone? Type me, please, everyone. How many columns are there in
Four,
this
four
table?
column.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Pichanan, and thank you. That is from who unmuted the microphone. Tell me, please.
Me.
Okay, that
Me.
is number one. Thank you very much. And thank you, Pichanan Suthiporn Kittinan. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. So let me back to this again. This is what we call column. And yet, this is the row, right? So we're going to look at the first column first. So we're going to begin and we're going to start at the first column. So you see the first column, the word is look, look, look. So the OO is actually O, O, O. So please, everyone, think of another word that has the same vowel sound O with the word look. So type me in the in-call messages, please, everyone. Which word in English that you can think of? Okay, thank you very much. And that is book and cook. So let's see, everyone. I'm going to type it here. You've got the word book and you've got the word cook. And you see, you're going to have like book, cook, look. That's great. And yes, we're going to go next to it. Let me check. You got the word good, good, good. That's great. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to take you to Cambridge English Dictionary again. And this is a very good example of this word, everyone. We may mispronounce this word with good. It's not good, but it
Good.
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 Good. So thank you very much. Number one, I know that you are able to remember this word. So I'm going to put like one more row for the word good. Thank you very much. And so we're next to the second, everyone. The second column. The example I already typed on the column, it's zoo, zoo, zoo. So this word, you see the O is actually long oo. So that ooh, ooh. So which word in English, everyone? So please share with me. Pete Shannon, you got the word Hollywood. So that's great. Hollywood. So I'm going to extend here. So this one, thank you very much. And any other ideas? Any other ideas? You got the word pool and moon. That's great, everyone. You're super awesome. Everyone, super awesome. So this one is pool, and you give me one word that is moon. Thank you very much. And you see, the thing is, I have many students share with me here. And boo, boo, that means you're going to like try to do this to someone, right? Let's have a look at the meaning here. So with this one, boo, people at the back started booing loudly. So that means you make expression that you disagreement. So you say boo like this, okay? So this is the good word because we may not see this word in our daily life activities, but anyway, you are able to see this from maybe the movie or maybe the song or like the kind of the soap drama that you see on the TV show. So that's great. That is the good way to learn English, everyone. So have a look at this symbol, please, everyone. Again, I'm going to place the speaker here for you all.
Boo, boo, boo.
Okay, so when you say boo, it's going to be boo like this. Okay, so next to this, please, everyone, with the third column, pour, 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 pour. So any other word in English, everyone, that has the same sound, like the same wow sound with pour. I'm trying to extend this, but I don't know how. Okay. I can do this now. Kind of one has the computer skill now. I got the word door. That's great. And any other ideas, everyone? Any other ideas for this? Actually, I expect only two, but with the kind help of everyone, I've got like more than two now. So door, door, door. And what else, everyone? What else, everyone? That word floor, floor, floor. And any other ideas, everyone? Any other ideas? Any other ideas, please? Can anyone share with me here? Okay, if not, maybe you are able to look at this again, maybe at night or maybe some in the time that you are free enough to have a look at this. So I'll give you a bit of the homework today to find some of the or that is actually or, and or. So lastly, everyone, this one please, fraud, fraud. Fraud. So, So this one, please, everyone, think of the word in English. And yes, this is a very good example because it's the thing you see every day, everyone. Of course, you are in the kind of like science and math and computer, and you can see this word like many times a day when you study like biology or some of the subjects that related to about our organ or our body. And one of the students mentioned HOOD. So we're going to find out together, everyone. Is that HOOD? Is that heart or hood? So let's take a look at this. This one.
Hood, hood, hood.
So hood. So this one will be on this side, okay, with hood. So thank you very much. This is a very good example. You see, everyone, even you see the O, but you have like the 4 different ways to say the O noun. Actually, everyone, we have more than 4. We have at least 6. There are 6 ways to pronounce the OO in English. So this is just the examples that I'm going to give you and remind you all that when you see the same letter in English or you see the same vowels in English, you may have to look and check at the dictionary again because the word may not spell and may not pronounce the same.
Hood. Hood.
Like this. And the OO the same, you see, but
Flood. Flood.
so in this point, everyone, I would love to remind you again that even you see the OO, but you will see the different ways, the many ways to pronounce all the words. And you did a very good job, everyone. We're going to read these together again. I say, you say, I say, you say, I say, and then you say. Look, book, cook, good, hood, and Hollywood, pool, moon, pour, door, floor, fraud, broad, and bloody. Let me check this word again, everyone, with Hollywood, because I see like the sound. Maybe I have to check. I also have to check, everyone, because when we are not sure, everyone, we have to check. And this one, okay, that is my mistake, everyone, because this one, Hollywood, it's not the U sound, but it's the U sound. So you see why I just realized that I see that this one is different, because when I pronounce it, I see it's not Hollywood, but it's Hollywood, Hollywood, Hollywood. So thank you very much, everyone. And you see, even the teacher, we also have to check even we're sure or not sure, everyone. But right now, I'm sure that we got all the right thing on the slide, everyone. So look, book, cook, good, hood, Hollywood, zoo, boo, moon, and pour, door, floor, fraud, broad, bloody. Thank you very much, everyone. And let's move to the things that we're going to work on together today. We have finished the things that I'm trying to promote your pronunciation skill, everyone. And this will be the thing that we're going to work in every single period we see. And we're going to change all the letter, all the vowels, all the consonant, and then we are able to learn enough in this semester, and that you are able to adapt what you learn with me in your further study. So that means in M5 or M6. So today, everyone, let's have a look at the objectives that we're going to look at together, and we're going to work together to achieve and to complete together. So at the end of the lesson, everyone, I have only 3 numbers of the objectives that we're going to work together. And I hope that everyone is able to follow with me and be able to complete the thing together today. Number 1, you are going to match the word with definitions. Yes, we're going to learn the vocabulary first, because later we're going to listen to the story, and then we're going to read the story, and later after that we're going to complete the sentences using all the words you learn. And after that, everyone, we're going to answer the questions, and it's going to be like the questions, only 3 questions today, everyone. And we're going to assess your comprehension. So that means how well you understand the lesson today. So if you are ready, everyone, so please type number 1 in your in-call messages, please. If you are ready, so please, everyone, type number 1 in the in-call messages, please. Thank you, Pichanan, and thank you, Pititat, for like your answer before. Okay, and thank you all the students who are trying to help me and trying to help me check whether you are with me or not. So please type number 1. one. Thank you very much. So I have like half of the students share with me number one. So it's make me sure that everyone is ready for the lesson, and let's begin. To fulfill these three objectives for today's lesson, everyone, I need your help. I need your help because all the things that we're going to work on together today will be from your textbook here. So please, everyone, turn to page 77, and then we're going to look at exercise number 4, number 5, and number 6. We're going to look at exercise number 4, number 5, and number 6 on page 77 and 77. So let me check with you again, everyone. What page are we on now? So what page are we on now? What page, please, everyone? Type me the number for the page that you are going to turn on. Thank you very much, Pichanan. I have only Pichanan, so let me see the answer from other students, please. Is that 75, 76, or 77? So which number, please? Thank you, Kititat. So yes, please, everyone, I have 3 students with Bantita also. So please, everyone, turn to page 77. 77. Thank you very much. And yes, we're going to, wow, I got like lots of the students sharing this. Okay, so sorry, please, everyone. I just lost the connection. But anyway, I'm here now. So please, everyone, the things that we're going to work on. Let me share the screen again. Yeah, I see many students try to answer and try to interact in the in-call messages, and that's great, everyone. So let's take a look at some vocabularies that we're going to work on today, and let's have a look at all the pronunciations, everyone. So please have a look at all the 6 words. 6 words. Okay. And I'm going to start with the top left to the top right, and then to the bottom left to the bottom right. Okay, so the first word will be opinion, and the last word will be famine. So have a look at some of these things, everyone. You may see the different colors. Between the letters. So with the first one, I think, so this word is opinion. So I say, you say, everyone, opinion. Thank you very much. So let's move to this. Take a look at all the smoke, everyone, the smoke. So with this smoke, you see, let me check with this again, everyone, whether I have this on or not. Okay, so hope that everyone is able to hear me. Yes, it's on already. And okay, here, with the second picture, pollution. You see, the straight is at the lu, pollution. Next to this word, you see the dry land. No rain, no water. So all the river dry. So this is drought. Again, please, everyone. I say, you say. Drought. Okay, thank you very much. And Pratya, would you like to say anything to me? Or is that just like, okay, Pratya, that's okay, no worry. Next, everyone, to this word, you see after the storm, you see like many things destroy. And when something is destroyed or when something is ruined, so this word is disaster, 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 disaster. And yet the one who work in the field of science, who diagnose something and who test and who observe and who try to do things to improve. So this one is called scientist, 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 scientist. And one more, you see here, everyone, I'm going to like put it down here, and you see many people here carrying their containers, maybe the tray or the pot, and they are in queue for food. They don't have enough food, everyone. And in the kind of they don't have enough food to eat, to fulfill their stomach, is what we call famine. Famine. So again, everyone, together we're going to say this word 3 times together. Opinion, opinion, pollution, pollution, drought, drought, disaster, disaster, scientist, scientist, famine, famine, opinion, pollution, drought, disaster, scientist, famine. Okay, so hope that everyone is ready for all the vocabulary test, everyone. So let's see. This is the vocabulary test, everyone. So please help me. Type your answer in the in-call messages, please, everyone. This is picture number 1. Picture number 1. Which word is picture number 1? Everyone type your answer in the in-call messages, please. I'm waiting for your answer. So please, everyone. So Sutipan got the right answer. Sutipan mentioned that it's pollution, and that's great, everyone. All the students mentioned pollution. You're great. Next to this one, please, everyone. This one. So this one, please, everyone. Number two, scientist. Thank you very much. And Pitipat, you did a very good job because you add one more S here. Yes, of course, because more than one science, more than one scientist. So that scientists. And this one, please, everyone, this picture, the picture of the destroy and the ruin of something, everyone. This one, please, that you see. So number three, but it's not, yes, of course. Yes, we're talking about this word, so it's not this word. Number 3 is disaster, number 3, but it's down here, okay? So this one is number 4, everyone, number 4. So this one, everyone, number 4. Okay, so let's see, number 4. How many students mentioned this to me? Opinion, that's great. And drought, this one, everyone, this one. With the people carrying their containers and wait for food. They are waiting for food, everyone. Number 5. So Tipon, thank you very much. You are faster than me. You are faster than me already. Yes, of course. And famine. Lastly, everyone, with this one, it's drought. Okay, so we're going to read and we're going to pronounce this word aloud again. We're going to read this again. Pollution, scientists, drought, famine, disaster, and opinion. Thank you very much, everyone. So next to this, Okay, so it's time, everyone. It's time for you to have a look at this thing and the things that we work together as always. We did this many times and always in our class that we're going to work. Normally, we're working using the Cambridge English Dictionary. We're going to type the word, right? Okay, let me go to Cambridge Dictionary again. And let me type maybe the first word with famine. Famine. Okay, and then we're going to look at this part. That is what we call the that is what we call the definitions, right? And we're going to have a look at some of the words that is what we call the keyword. So, famine, not enough food. Not enough food is for famine. Not enough food, everyone, and for not enough food. Which one, everyone, is famine? A, B, C, D, E, or F, everyone? Not enough food and famine. We're going to talk about this word, everyone. So A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, everyone. So which word? Which word? Okay, let me check with you on this screen how many students share with me. Okay, so many students mention E, 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 and E. E, 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 and E. That's great. So, not enough food is for famine. That's great. Everyone, a nice try and a nice beginning. So, next to this word, please, everyone. So, I'm going to take you to this one. This one, drought. Drought. When you have the dry land, no water, and dry river, no water, you don't have enough rain like that. So this one, drought. So A, B, C, D, F, A, B, C, D, F. Please, everyone. So with the word drought, A, B, C, D, or F, A, B, C, D, or F, A, B. Okay, Kitinan mentioned F, and can I have more students, please? Can I have more, like another 3 students, please? Can I have more students to share with me? Okay, let me go back here again. Drought, drought, drought. And this is the picture of drought. This is the picture of drought. Okay, so Tipon. So Tipon is also mentioned F when little or no rain. That's great. So everyone, you see, I'm trying to underline the keyword for you. Not enough food is famine, and little or no rain, the river dry, the land dry, you are not able to grow crops, you are not able to grow durian or vegetable or something because you have no water to work with, and yes, that one, drought. So next to this, please everyone, can I just go to this? Opinion. Opinion. I think, so talking about what you think, everyone, talking about your idea, A, B, C, D, or E, everyone. A, B, C, D, or E, everyone. Talking about your opinion. You see the word that is the same, what we call the same crossword with the word think, but this word is the noun, so that is thought. So let's see who's sharing with me. I see on the screen. Yes, in this one, Kitinan mentioned D and Sutipon mentioned B, right? Kitinan mentioned D and Sutipon mentioned B. Can I have more students to share, please, with this word? With this word, opinion, opinion. So is that A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D for opinion, everyone. Can I have one more student, please? And this one will be the one that decide which is going to be like A, B, C, or D. So can I have one more student, please, with opinion? Okay, Kitinan still mentioned D. Okay, so this one, Kitinan, it's
It's pollution, right?
so you mean you would like to share that D is pollution? Okay, and you got the right answer. And the right answer for I mean the word opinion. That's okay, Kitinan. Anyway,
A.
you got the correct answer for D. You got the correct answer for D. I do appreciate your work. Thank you very much. And Sutipon, yes, of course, you got the right answer for B, opinion. Opinion. So right now, everyone, you see, if we're talking about thought or belief, that you believe in something, you know that, and you are sure, you are super sure that that one is true, so you believe it, and that is opinion. But talking about the damage, for example, the damage or the harmful or something that was ruined or is ruined, so that is pollution. Pollution. And yet this one, everyone, if we're gonna talk about this word, scientist, is that A or C, everyone? Scientists.
A.
Thank you very much. And that is, yeah, the scientists will go here. And yet, of course, here disaster will be here. So disaster is actually, everyone, is the kind of the result after the damage or the death or the serious difficulty. So I'm going to do the screenshot here, everyone, and I'm going to share this thing in your line, in your, I mean your live group, everyone. I'm now sharing this with you all. Okay, that is 4/4. Okay, a minute, please, everyone. Okay, I shared this with you already in your open chat, and yes, of course, it's in your open chat now, so you are able to do the review yourself. So next to this, everyone, let me go back to this. At first, you learn vocabulary through the pictures, and you are able to pronounce all the word because you see the stretch of each word, where to stretch in each word. For example, opinion, pollution, drought, disaster, scientist, and famine. So you see, this is the straight, and if you straight it correctly, even you have the your own accent, everyone are able to understand you what you are saying, and that is the point of English, the point of communication. So I would love you to practice this kind of the straight, and you are able to visit Cambridge Dictionary or any other dictionary that you are able to listen to how and the way to pronounce the word. We learn through the picture. You've got the picture in your mind, and you've got the word, and you've got the way to say that word. And later after that, you see some of the keywords in the English definitions. For the expert in science, yes, that is scientist. If you would like to talk about the thought or the belief of someone, that is opinion. So yes, when you would like to express what you are thinking, you are able to say, I think, or in my opinion. I think, or in my opinion. And next to C, you see the word disaster. Disaster is the damage, or like the sum of the result after the serious difficulty. For the pollution, you will see the damage in water, in air, in soil. So that's why you may have heard the word water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, and if there is too too much noise, you may hear like the kind of the noise pollution. And when you don't have enough food, when the food is not enough for you, that is the situation of famine. Famine, not famine, it's famine. And lastly, when you have like long period of no rain and little rain, everyone, that is drought. And you see here, from that, you are able to adapt and you are able to use what you have learned from the picture and from the definition into complete the sentences using all the words, everyone. So here, please, everyone. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one, we're going to start with maybe number 1 first, because actually I try to work on number 1 is the easiest one, everyone. Number 1 is the easiest one in this exercise. And let's see, this year is severe. Severe that means serious, like a lot. This year is severe has ruined the crops, fruit, grain, vegetables. These are the examples for the word crops. This year, a severe has ruined the crops, fruit, grain, and vegetable are example. So which word fits best in this one? Number 1, everyone, is that drought, disaster, opinion, pollution, scientists, or famine? So which word, please, everyone, share your answer in the in-call messages, please. Okay, Sutipon mentioned famine. Yeah, when you don't have enough food, right? So for famine. But Sutipon, have a look at this again. Talking about the crops, that means the fruit, the grain, and vegetables. You don't have enough water to grow food, to grow plants, to grow fruits, to grow grain, and to grow vegetable. You don't have enough water. That is the meaning for number 1. So
Rồi.
again, please.
Anh nói này nó khu
Drought.
drought.
Yes, that's great. Can you say that again, please?
Drought.
That's great. Okay, so this one, thank you, Sukipon, for sharing. Anyway, for number 1, the right answer is drought. Okay, so we're going to read these together, everyone. This year, a severe drought has ruined the pronunciation of ed ending, ruined. This year, a severe drought has ruined the crops, fruit, grain, vegetable. These are the example of the crops, okay? So I'm going to show you this. If you see this side, everyone, if you see this side, 1, 2, and 3, these are the example of this word, okay? So crops, that means talking about fruit, the grain, and vegetable. So next to number 2, everyone, car exhaust. Talking about exhaust, that means the smoke from the car. The smoke from the car. Car exhaust is the main reason for what, everyone? The smoke from the car. The smoke from the car. Okay, so Kititat mentioned pollution. Any other ideas, everyone? I'm waiting for 5 students to join with this question. Kititat number 1, thank you very much. Waiting for the 4 students, other 4 students to join with this number 2. Thank you, Shananpong and Kittinan. I have 3 students now, so 2 students, 2 more students, please. Can I have 2 more students? Nutsara and 1 more. Let's see who's going to cross this job. Number two, one more, sorry, one more student, Panita. Thank you very much. So that means everyone agree with the word pollution. Everyone, you know that you're great. You are great. You are awesome. Everyone, you got the right answer. This is because you try to study. You learn it from vocabulary, from the pictures, and then from the definitions in English. You don't have to actually like work on the kind of, the Thai dictionary anymore, because you have like all the right track to work on this. But anyway, Thai dictionary is also good in order that you are able to learn more the explanation in Thai, and of course with some of the examples that you see in the Thai dictionary. And of course, next two, we're going to move to number three, everyone. There were reports of refugees dying. Someone is dying. But this is the new word that I'm going to give you and to show you the definition of this word. And let's get everyone, refugee. So here, have a look at these three lines. A person who has escaped. That means they run away and someone are not able to catch them back. They are escaped from their own country for political or religious or economic reason because of a war. They have to leave the country because of the war, and they live in other countries. So that is the refugee. So with this one, everyone, all the refugee has the report of the refugee that they die of what? So die of disaster, die of famine. Sorry, everyone, I am so sorry. I got like the wrong one. Your answer is correct, but I dragged the opinion, so sorry. Sorry, everyone, I do apologize for that. This word is pollution, okay? And, okay, I heard one of the students mention famine. Great, that's great. This year, a severe drought has ruined the crops, fruit, grain, vegetable. Car exhaust is the main reason for the city's pollution. One, not city's opinion. One drag the wrong one. And there were reports of refugee dying of famine. And next, please, everyone. Next, a couple of decades ago. So let's take a look at the word decade. So decade mean 10 years, everyone. Decade mean 10 years. And one student mentioned already with the answer. Who is he? Okay, Kittitat and Chananpong. I'm so sorry with this one. Maybe I have to actually cut with the numbers again. So please, Kittinan and Chananpong, if number 4, what is your answer for number 4? A couple of decades ago, noticed Panama's climate was slowly growing drier. So notice here, that means the things that is missing here should be the name of the group of people. The name of the group of people. So that is opinion scientist or disaster. Name of group of people. Okay, Kittitat, the name of group of people. Which word is for group of people? It's talking about the job or the group of people. Everyone, number 4. Is that opinion, scientist or disaster? Someone discover, someone do the research and then they got the information to discover that something will happen with Panama climate. So with this one, everyone, what is your answer? Number 4, please. Okay, so number 4. Let's try. Kittitat, you got the answer already, like at 10:35, and you mentioned scientist. That's great. Yes, this one will be scientist.
Oh, teacher, that's correct.
That's correct, because the scientist is the group of people who discover and who notice. That means they see the point that Panama is the name of the country. Panama's climate was slowly growing drier. Next to the last one, everyone, number 5, having and prolong. Prolong, that means long time. Heavy and prolonged rain can spell for many plants. Heavy and prolonged rain can spell for many plants. You see, everyone, if it's raining for 3 weeks and all flooded, what comes next? Is that the disaster or is that the opinion, everyone? So let's see how many students share with me on this. Okay, Kittinan mentioned disaster and Kittitat disaster. Can I wait more for 5 students, please? May I have 3 students more, please? Everyone, 1, 2, and 3. Need more 3 students, please? Please, everyone, share with me. I need another 3 students. I need other 3 students, please, everyone. Waiting for more students, please, on this point. Okay, on this point, can I have more students? Okay, Sutipon, thank you very much. And who's next? Kanyarat, yes, and one more. And Pratya, thank you very much. So in this one, everyone, that is the disaster. But the thing is, everyone, please have a look at this. Heavy and prolonged rain can spell. Take a look at this word. Normally, if I ask Kititat, so could you please unmute your microphone?
Yeah.
Kititat, could you please spell your name?
Spell my name.
Yes, of course.
Kittitat Sumiran. This is my
Okay,
name.
spell it. K-I.
Kittitach.
Okay, thank you very much. Everyone, that is one example, one meaning of the word spell. If you spell something, for example, Ganukwan, spell the name of Ganukwan is that K-A-N-O-K, like this. So this is spell. But in this sentence, have a look at this word, everyone. If you see the word spell disaster mean to cause something bad to happen in the future. So heavy and prolonged rain can spell disaster for many plants. Heavy and prolonged rain can spell disaster for many plants. If you see spell disaster, that means to cause something bad to happen in the future. So everyone, after we finish all the 6 words, so you know that right now you are able to pronounce, you are able to say the words correctly. You know how to straight in each word, and you know how to say that word in English. And of course, later after that, you match the pronunciation, you match the definitions here with the word. So in this activity, you are able to see the keywords. From the first activity, you see the picture, and then you are able to pronounce it. You can remember through the picture for some of the words, for example, drought, or scientist, or the disaster, or the famine with no food, or the pollution, or the opinion that you think. And next, with the kind of the keywords from the definition. Later, after that, you are able to use the thing that you know from the first 2 exercises into this exercise to complete the sentences, and you did a very good job. The next part, everyone, we're going to look at this, I'm going to play the audio for you. And in this part, I have already asked you to visit your Google Classroom, right? And listen to this. Anyway, no worry. I'm going to play this to all of you again. So allow me to stop sharing this screen because I have to actually share the Google site of your Google Classroom. Okay, so a minute, please, everyone. I have to share the screen again. Okay, and yes, the same, everyone, as I mentioned. Actually, when we start the new unit, I will put all the audio tracks of that unit in your Google Classroom. So anytime you have free time, anytime you are free, you are able to repeat and you are able to listen to it and repeat all the things that you are going to learn more from this audio track. And this audio track is actually matched with the thing that I have already shown you, that it will be like the kind of the symbol as the track, right? Let me show you this. Maybe later. After that, I'll show you that the name of the track like that you are able to see. And in this part, our happy planet, we're going to listen to, track 6, 9. Okay, and in this part, I'm going to unmute my microphone, everyone. And while you're listening to this, please, everyone, focus on every single word and work through this when you are listening. Okay, so we'll see you again after we finish the last word from the script. So enjoy.
Track 6-9. Our Happy Planet. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Happy Planet Talk Show. We're here with Professor Julie Bright, a scientist and expert on climate change.
Thanks, Gary.
So, Julie, in your opinion, do we do enough to keep our planet healthy?
Actually, I think that the world is going to end in the next 100 years.
I'm sorry, in 100 years? Oh dear, that's terrible. Can you explain further?
It's because we've already done too much damage to the planet, and now that damage is permanent. In my opinion, we're past the point of trying to protect the planet. Now we should try to save ourselves.
Surely there's something we can do. What's the cause of all this damage?
Well, the cause is pollution, and its effect is climate change. It's destroying our planet, and it will continue to do so. It's to the point that we cannot stop it. It's causing the ice caps to melt. Soon they will all disappear. This in turn will cause sea levels to rise. It's predicted that sea levels will rise 48 centimeters by the year 2050. This will flood many coastal cities. They will be lost forever beneath the water. Flooding isn't the only problem being caused by climate change either. Climate change is causing drought, famine, fires, and other disasters to happen more often all over the world. The bottom line is, we're losing the fight against climate change.
But Professor, if we stop polluting the environment, can't we prevent these disasters that you are predicting?
Well, it couldn't hurt. But in order for us to make a real difference, we'd have to stop polluting the planet now. Climate change is a problem for all people living now. It's not a problem for our kids or our kids' kids.
Okay, so I'm back again, everyone, and we're going to work on this. And in this part, I need your help, everyone, because I know that some of you may listen to this more than 2 times already, because I have already gave you like the kind of the homework to listen to this anyway. But anyway, some of the students may like have heard this at the first time. But anyway, everyone, If you have the time and if you would like to listen to this again, just visit your Google Classroom and enjoy your moment listening to English. So in this one, everyone, we're going to have a look at this script. So you see in this script, okay, you see this script already, everyone. And in this part, I'm going to, I need to actually stop this screen, and yes, I have to share another devices here. But we still on page 77, everyone. We still on page 77. Oops. Sorry. Let me check with this again. Okay. A minute, please. Okay, I have to actually wait for my device to set it up. And yes, it's time for me to share this screen. Okay, so everyone has come up with the scripts that you have already listened to this. And from this, we're going to work on exercise number 6 here. We're going to work on exercise number 6, everyone, and this exercise. Let's have a look at this exercise and find out here. You see from the script, you see A, B, and C. Okay, so again, everyone, this is the page of your script, and there is the missing sentences. There are missing sentences on A, B, and C that you are going to take. You are going to take these 1, 2, and 3 sentences to fill in, to complete all A, B, and C. So that it means we're going to match A, B, and C with all these sentences. So take a look at this. Before we're going to go back to that, I have a very, very easy tips, everyone. It's going to be the tips and it will make your life easier. And this will help you in every single exercise that you are going to take in the future. So take a look at this. The first thing, please, everyone. So underline or highlight the word, the ice caps, the ice cap. The ice cap is the subject of the sentence. The ice cap have melted faster in the last 20 years. The ice cap have melted faster in the last 20 years than they have in the past 10,000 years. Number 2, this disaster can also cause issues such as lack of food and water. So in this part, everyone, we're not going to look at the meaning, but we're going to find the best way to help you when you do the exam or when you do the test. So in this one, this disaster is the subject. So please, everyone, underline or highlight the word these disasters. Okay, so we'll move to this one. The sea level has increased by 23 centimeters in the last 140 years. The sea level has increased by 23 centimeters in the last 140 years. Again, everyone, the sea level is the subject of the sentence. So, take a look at this. Closely look to the ice caps, disasters, sea level. Only deeds, ice cap, disaster, and sea level. Okay, again. Ice caps, disaster, sea level. Only 3 words. Ice caps. The ice cap, everyone, talking about the ice cap. Yeah, in this one, it's the things that melted, the ice that cover, so it's melted. It's like from the ice into water so that the ice melt. And disaster and sea level. So you are going to match to this, so you have to look at the sentence before that A, B, and C. So underline these sentences with me. One sentence before A. One sentence before B. And one sentence before C. And you can catch the answer. You can catch the answer, everyone. Take a look at A. It's causing the ice cap to melt. It's causing the ice cap to melt. Take a look at ice cap, everyone. Ice cap. A, B, or C. Everyone, type your answer in the in-call messages, please, everyone. Is that A, B, or C for ice cap? Is that A, B, or C? Ice cap. Ice cap. Is that A, B, or C? Okay, so you see ice cap is for A. It's easy, right, everyone? So when you see like this, everyone, could you please tell me, this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Please, everyone, share with me what is number 2 and what is number 3. Type me the letter 2 first and then 3 together in the same message. For example, you are able to say B and C, or you are able to say C and B like this. So type your answer, please, everyone. I need 10 students. I need 10 students, please, everyone. CB. Okay. Bantita mentioned CB. 10 students, please. Waiting for 9 students. Kitinan, so is that B and C or C and B? We're going to work on number 2 and number 3 together. CB. Okay. We have 2 students mentioned CB and Kititat mentioned CB. 7 more, please. 7 more. Okay, 6 more, please. 6 more. CB, you got CB. Can I have more 6 students, please? 6 students to share with me on this exercise. CB. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I have more? Two student more, please. Chawakrit, 1, and 1 more student. 1 more student after Chawakrit, please. 1 more student after Chawakrit. Can I have 1 more student? Sutipan, thank you very much. You crossed the job now. So everyone, let me check. Your answer is CB, right? So I'm going to find out the word sea level. And yes, the sea level is B and the disaster is for C. That's great. Everyone, you got the right answer. So pick it yourself. Check yourself, everyone. So thank you very much, everyone. We did you all did a very good job today. And since the objective mentioned that you are going to match the word with the definition, yes, you pass this activity already and you complete the sentences using the given words. That's great, everyone. After that, you listen and you read the script through very quick and screen and scan and answer the question. Yes, everyone. 100% of the objective today. Thank you very much, everyone. And as I check today, we have only 2 students missing, and that's great. So let me check again whether they're coming or not. Number 40 already. Number 38. So everyone, where is number 38? Where is number 38? Can anyone tell me where is number 38? Number 9 is here already. Okay. Number 33. 33 is here. So just one student, number 38. Thank you very much, everyone. So that means at first I have already checked your attendance, everyone. Like at the beginning and while you are doing this thing and before we're going to end up the story, we're going to end up the lesson for today, everyone. This is the thing that we should actually take care, and we're going to listen to more, and we're going to work on more exercises on how to save the earth, everyone, how to make our planet to be happy planet. And I would love to stop my presentation, and I would love to say goodbye to all of you. Thank you very much for being my greatest helpers as ever, and we're going to meet each other again next week on Monday, the first and the second period. Thank you very much, everyone, and see you then. Goodbye. สวัสดีค่ะ Goodbye.